Alright, so I got some good news and some bad news. We'll start with the bad. Bad news is I sold my red Skyline. I sold it to Andre, and he'll be taking over this project now. And now the good news is I got a new project, and it's right there. Here you go.
New project on top of the other project. Good job.
So as some of you guys know, I've had several of these AW11 MR2s. What is this, like my fourth or fifth one or something?
But stay away, huh?
But this is my first MK1B. It's a 1989 model. Yeah, it's got really bad clear coat peel. It has a MK1A front bumper. But it looks all original, paint's original. Got the stock wheels. Couple of dents here and there. Even has a stock muffler. That's kind of rare. And then I got the LED spoiler too. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's take a look at the engine. Bone stock 4AG. Besides this sweet oil cap. Looks like timing belt's been done already. Original blue interior. Nothing real special in here. It actually reminds me of like a Camry. Looks exactly like a Camry. Oh yeah, and this is a sunroof model. MK1A steering wheel. It's got some mix-ups here and there, but otherwise looks pretty good, right? Not bad. Oh yeah, and thank you to Andre for driving to Bellingham, getting this car for me because I was at work.
Lowballing the guy. No, we just had a decent deal.
Let's making deals.
Yeah.
Wheeling and dealing.
It was pretty funny. He was a little bit high, and I was like, told him what we're gonna pay for it, and then just started walking away. And he's like, "Oh no, I'll do it." I'm like, "All right."
Professional lowballer
Yeah,
right
I
here.
told him like I'm with a trailer. We're going to pick up another car, and just drove by his house just because.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
He said he'll never go down, but of course, cash talks.
Yeah. So there it is. I'll do a full walk around later, but let's get this thing unloaded.
Oh man, first time driving it.
Okay, stop. See him in the ramp. We're good. For the front wheel, is it lined up?
It's not on the ramp yet.
Lined up.
Oh, is it straight? Yeah.
Yeah, he's good. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, just keep. You can start turning.
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead.
Brake light?
Hey, you wearing your Toyota shirt too?
Oh yeah, you know it.
Jesus, man. Came back, huh?
Seats are really nice.
Yeah, and this feels good to be back.
Sunroof?
Sunroof, I like that.
That doesn't look like a 300,000 mile seat.
Yeah, that looks pretty fresh.
320.
No one sits in here probably.
Yeah, no, but that one's the same. Both. Super clean. It's got a detail, little dusty, dirty and dusty. Probably like steam clean it and everything.
Oh, some dust just flew out. Jeez.
What's all this? Oh, the shirt and stuff.
A pen. Brakes are messed up. No, we were going like probably 20 down here at 30, and I could already feel like vibration. But he said, he told them in the ad.
Oh yeah, he said
He disclaimed, he basically said everything except the AC. Because he said that was removed or something. But the button works. It's smooth. It's not bouncy. It's super soft. It was super comfortable to drive. Stock car.
Oh, it's gonna mess it up next week, so it's gonna change everything and mess it up.
They talked me into buying this car, which I kind of love now. It's good.
Yeah, we talked him into buying this car because, you know, we found it for a good deal.
Yeah, I got it restored. It has all nice stuff.
So this guy is like 100% BMW, Mercedes, whatever, and now he's got a Datsun, and now he's got a Skyline. So what are you gonna do with this car?
Well, first of all, I'm gonna fix this. There's a huge hole. Not the hole, but it's all busted.
Yeah.
Looks like it's been hidden here, so I think I can weld up some fenders from my E36 or something.
There he goes again.
Actually, I was
BMW parts on Nissan. All right.
There's a rust spot. Fuck, where was it?
So basically, you're gonna fix the body.
Yes, paint. Well, it's a nice car. It just needs. Oh, the seals needs to be replaced, and paint seals, and we'll see. Oh, and the wheels. We'll finish the wheels.
Man, those are my wheels. You know how far? You know how far I drove to get
I know
those?
how much you bought them for.
No,
Yes, $300.
I bought them for $3,000.
No, you bought them for $300. Oh, and the exhaust too. Probably make it quieter.
Well, that's pretty cool.
It's good banana bread. I kind of went in circles.
Yeah.
So my black Skyline, I traded my turbo AW11, and then this red Skyline here, I traded my 86 coupe with the beam swap, and now I've sold this car, and then I've got another MR2. Yeah, it's funny how that
All 2
works.
years, but a waste of time.
Nope, it's great.
It's
I'm getting
okay.
I'm getting a Skyline.
You excited
Best
about it?
thing. Yeah, it's good.
So, should I end it there?
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything else to talk about. Yeah, I'll give you guys a full walk around the car later on.
Probably after you wash it.
Yeah, it's a mess right now, but yeah, that's what happened. So yeah, see you guys later.